Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Alamance County, Southern Orange County, Southern Granville County, Central Wake County, Durham County, Northeastern Chatham County, West Central Franklin County, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chapel Hill, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Oxford, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Wake Forest, Carrboro, and Butner. For your protection, move to an interior room.